It's not a half bad day today with the sun out and it's quite warm. And I've been procrastinating a lot. My mental health hasn't been the best. I have a lot of stuff in here that I want to kind of clean up before we get really hit with snow. Yeah, that was my heated bucket. And I needed to get it out of there like a long time ago and dump all the water. So hopefully that works, and then I can like store it and it's not broke. Hopefully. I'm like so worried about the outlet. So my plastic guard that goes over the heater element is frozen here. So I'm gonna have to like maybe get some hot water and pour that on it and maybe get it out. It's a little extra step I didn't want to have to do. Oh boy. Bucket of extremely hot water to see if I can get that that plastic piece out of the ice. I'm out of shape though. Ain't gonna lie, I'm out of shape. So I got my hot water here, my plastic, all stuck in this ice that was in there. So that's a 16-gallon bucket. Ooh, I'm already wasting my water. Hoping that helps. All right. Washed out the bucket. Got that plastic piece out. The plug isn't too bad. There is a little corrosion on it, like right in the base, because it's been out nice. Got this in here. Has a lot of my horse stuff. It's hard to see in there. I've got my solar panel in there, and I got wire and some horse stuff like hay net and stuff. Brought my fork here and my bucket. So there was a point in time where I thought Spirit was gonna have to come home because the trainers were having issues with the stable owner. Luckily they fixed whatever problem they were having, and but I was trying to prepare at home in case he needed to come back. And I'm really glad that he didn't have to come back, and even through all that, I do have a stall. Just in case that they did have to leave, I do have my own stall there now, so I don't have to panic about taking him and bringing him home anytime soon, because I need to work on my setup a lot. I removed part of my fence in the front from that T-post to the gate right here in front, so you can walk right through there, in hopes that I would get like the panel, they're like the panel stalls that you can make with a cover. So I figured I could fit probably 2 stalls possibly there. So I have a big gap in my fence right now, like open area. Had a cow get out and she was actually running through the pasture and back. Luckily she did not take down any of my fence. But today I'm out here because when I took down part of that fence, I had my fencer here on the ground, and I want to put that away. And then I have, let's see, 2 or 3, I think it was 2. Here we go. My T-post that I pulled out of the ground. Oh, I see 3. And they're gonna be putting in a new manure pump thing in the pump house, and I don't know if they're gonna actually have to take this down. And I don't want this stuff to be on the ground if they're coming in winter and have them totally run it all over and ruin all my stuff. And to be honest, I'm worried that they're actually gonna affect my gate here, my fence. Hopefully that's not the case. Let's go, Rex. Let's get you guys. Come on. Get him up. Stick him. Maxie. Round. Good girl. Get up. Get up. Singer. 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 Get up. Get up. Get up. Remember, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, and hit that notification bell if you want to see the next videos I upload. Have a great day, everybody.